the best and available promo code for the Jungle Scout website in front of you here on your account. For this, the main thing you have to do is simply search the same on your browser, and then you have to click on the first website that will appear in front of you called Growth Devil. In this website, as you can see, the code are for August 2024 and they are active. First code is for 35% off on Suit 3 monthly plan, and others on the Suit annual plan, and different type of promo codes and discount offers available. Now you have to click on the second website called grabon.com. In this website also you will get a lot of details about promo codes and discount code available up to 40% off, hot deals and other things as well. So to get an offer you have to click on the get deal option here, and then whenever you will see a promo code, simply copy it and paste it, redeem on the website. This is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it.